Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a new way of meditation which is not available on YouTube, but I have found it very useful and very impactful. So, as you saw the title, it is Meditation with Time Travel. And this time travel is very different from the time travel which we have seen in movies or in Avengers, okay, where you can move into the past and do different things. So that is nearly impossible as of now, we all understand. But this time travel is what you can really experience of the past. So this meditation is broken into two parts. One is the breathing sinking, because we all understand the importance of breathing in yoga, in meditation. It is very crucial. And the second part is time travel. The time travel where you can relive your past. So how are we going to connect these two things? So all the meditation videos, they talk about one thing: focus on your leg, start breathing, focus on your toes, focus on some bright light. And we know that because it is not connected to our life, we still feel very hard to connect with those instructions. So this meditation is similar to the first point when it comes to breathing, because breathing is very important when we meditate, in that proper supply of oxygen goes to your mind. When this happens, your mind can easily draw the things. It can easily show you pictures which you can imagine. So breathing is a very crucial part of whole meditation process. Now quickly jump to the second part, that is a time travel. So in this second part, what we do, the first day, okay, for the first day, just sit in the yoga position and then try to reimagine the happiest moments of your life. Only the happiest moment of your life, with no doubts in you, that you feel happy what you think about. So the first day, I'll tell you the problem which you will face. You will find there are so many, maybe 10, 12 memories which will quickly come and fade away in your mind when your eyes are closed and when you're thinking about the happy moments. So the whole challenge here to meditate is to focus on one out of these 10 memories, okay, and then rebuild it. So our whole focus about time travel with meditation is losing the issue where you have 100 other things and you have to focus on one and rebuild it with the best way possible. So let's start quickly with that. So we will quickly start with the same thing as we do in a usual meditation yoga. So we'll just fold the legs the way you like it. I like to do it this way, keeping one in front of another, so that my legs becomes flexible. Put your hands like this. People do like this for yoga and everything. Doesn't matter. Until and unless you start believing and connecting with the energies, this position doesn't matter at all for me. So now keep your spine straight, chest out, make it straight, and breathe. Hold it for 3 seconds and breathe out. So this is the process which we do usually in all the meditation and yoga, and yes, we have to do it here also. But the only change for time travel required is try to hold your breath for a bit longer seconds, and that moments try to imagine the happiest moments of your life. Focus on those and try to make it static. I'm sure on the first day there will be hundreds of scenes vanishing, appearing, disappearing, but you have to focus on one and try to redraw it. So the procedure is very simple. Breathe. And leave. In first step, just try to focus on one thing. Are you even able to see the scenes? For very first time it will be very vague, very vague. And if you feel any problem in stopping breath, no need of stopping it at all. You can keep on doing, you can keep breathing with your eyes closed, but try to focus and bring the reel of your memories to a static one and focus on just one scene. And when you find that one scene, each and every day practice like this. When you find one scene, try to redraw it. I can understand that you can easily remember, you would have seen a happy face, you would have seen a couple of things there which makes you happy, but this is not what we are looking for. We are looking for a way to focus. And how we are going to do focus on this way when we talk about time travel. So we focus on the scene. When you find your happy moment and when you are looking for a scene, try to focus on that details there. It is like when you see a happy face, was there a table there, was there a bench there, was there a TV, another person was there, what was his face? Try to focus there, try to redraw it and practice it each and every day until and unless you find the scene complete. Once your scene is completed, you will find the energy of focusing is increasing considerably. I'm sure it is not going to happen in one day. It will take few weeks for you to redraw a complete scene. And once you are done with one scene, move to another scene. Because you remember the first day there were hundreds of scenes flashing across your memories. So now focus on the second scene and try to redraw. Do it as a first thing when you get up, when your day starts, because this is most impactful and most powerful when you do it as the first thing in your life every day. It increases your focus and it changes your life every day. And because it is directly connected with you, it is directly connected with your past memory which you are redrawing. Whole day it will give you energy to stay happy, and that is what a time travel is all about. It is not about knowing your future, that what you can do, what you can't, but reliving the fresh and the best memory of your life again is all about the time travel. So keep trying to relive those moments with meditation and you will feel a specific powerful energy inside you. I hope you like this video, and if you find it useful, at least try it for a week before commenting on this video and let me know, did it bring any change in your life, because it has done to me. Thanks.